Hello friends, it's Running Kimono here, and we have yet another Walgreens curbside video for you guys. So how does curbside pickup work out for all of you new shoppers? So that blue pickup, you will press that when you're ordering this through the app or a desktop computer. You'll physically drive to the store, park in a spot, and the employee will bring out your loot, or go to the photo department and say, hey, my name is Jane Smith. And they'll be like, oh, Mrs. Jane Smith, here's your curbside order. Have a wonderful day. It'll be fantastic. So if you love these sort of order through your phone videos, I made a dedicated video yesterday where you can get a lot of this stuff really inexpensive and cheap. And like that Vapo Rub, I mean, shut up. Everybody needs that for their stockpile. So go check out this video linked at the very end if you want to try and get other deals. And if you want to try and put a bunch of deals together as a big order, you can also do that as well. It doesn't have to be $10 at a time. A couple people were asking that, but to answer that question, yes, you can order more stuff if you wish. It's just going to be a little bit more money. Okay, friends, now we're going to talk about two different deals, one with men and one with women's body wash and bar soap. So we're going to grab two of the men's body washes for $7.49. It's a little bit cheaper than the ladies for whatever reason. And remember, this is curbside. We have this digital coupon that you must load, which is a 6 off of 2. So hopefully you didn't use it, or for whatever reason, if you didn't make it out to the store, but you still wanted to get a deal going, this is a video absolutely for you. So with the men's Dove body wash, the 4 off of 2 instant savings, you don't need to add a code, nothing. But for whatever reason, for curbside deals, it's popping. So you got your 4 off of 2 right there, plus the 6 off of 2 digital coupon. That's $10 off right here. So looking at the overall basket now, it was $14.98 for the 2 men's body wash, the 4 off of 2 promotion, the curbside pickup, which is free, 66 cents of our tax here, and then the 6 off of 2 digital coupon. The subtotal is $5.64. If you have $5 in Walgreens cash, throw it in and pay 64 cents and laugh all the way to the bank and back. I think this is a super, super deal for men's body wash. A lot of people are like, you're using $5 in Walgreens cash. You got to use it some way or another. I think this is just a super smart move, but if you want to pay the $5.64, by all means, knock yourself out. But if you have the Walgreens cash, use it. Now is the time. Next two deals are with the women. It's either the 22-ounce body wash or the bar soap. I know a lot of you are all about the bar soap, so either way. And just to let you know that Dove, this specific ladies line, they have an unscented version for both the bar soap and the body wash, and Olay no longer makes that. If you have psoriasis, very prone, like allergy-wise, this is absolutely something to keep in your stockpile, even for a family member. You never know when you're going to have an eczema flare-up. I've had one before, very painful. This is the digital coupon that you need to load for the ladies' body washes, which is a 6 off of 2. And just to show you, yes, the 4 off of 2 instant promotion, whatever that is, it's coming off along with the 6 off of 2 digital coupon. If they did this all the time, I would do all my deals curbside because this is pretty amazing. So the subtotal for this basket is $15.98, $4 of instant promo savings, the 4 off of 2. Pickup is free because we're doing this curbside, my tax, the manufacturer. So the new total is $6.70. As encouraged with the men's, you know what I would do? I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.70 and laugh all the way to the bank and back. If you have $5 of Walgreens cash in your account, I would absolutely use it to get this body wash at a rock bottom price. Now, if you choose to do this in store, and I did it in store on Sunday, and it worked out beautifully. There's a whole host of flavors, more so in store than on the website, unless everybody where I live went and did this deal, which I think isn't the case. I think they just list the meat and potato flavors, but I'm always looking for the sensitive or scent-free one for my mom, but they have a whole bunch of them. And scent-free is usually on the top shelf, but it's these 22 fluid ounce Doves. You're either a team Dove or a team Olay. I like Olay better. But I know a lot of you love Dove, and if you are looking for unscented, this is what you would do. But you can do this deal either way. In store, you will not get the $4 of instant savings. You'll have to pay the $10 or roll $10 in Walgreens cash and then get back a $4 register reward. And with the curbside deal, this will not print for you. They stopped that, I think, in March. But either way, it's a really terrific deal. I know that a lot of you, if you're recovering from an illness, a surgery, or something like that, you can't get out to the store, you certainly can get somebody to drive to the store for you and make this happen to get some very inexpensive Dove. So the deal for curbside shoppers just got a little bit sweeter. And honestly, I'm a person that kind of forgets these register rewards sometimes. I'm just got an absent-minded mind. So if they started offering stuff like this for curbside, I would probably do all my deals curbside moving forward. Let me know in the comments if you're as excited about this as I. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys score. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.